Welcome to Mike's Man Cave, and today we're having a look at my son's motorbike. He was just riding it today and he actually decided to give it a clean, or actually I did tell him to clean it, and this is how it's turned out. It's a Thumpstar TSX-C 140BW. Now that means it's a 140cc engine and it's got the bigger wheels on it rather than the small pit bike wheels. I've got another video up on my channel where we've actually put this bike together, and if you're interested I'll link that down in the description box so you can have a look at that. Okay, in this video we're just having a look at the bike, that's all it is. Anyone that might be interested in buying one of these, you can have a look at this video and see what you're going to be getting. It's finished quite nicely. It's got plenty of stickers on it. There's the exhaust. We'll start it up in a minute so you can have a listen to it. Okay, there's the brakes, twin piston brakes, disc brakes. It's got a chain guard there. There's your fuel switch, where you can switch the fuel on and off. It should really be set to off now, but we're about to start the bike, so that's why it's on. That's our kill switch to turn off the engine once you're running and you want it to stop. Fuel tank, seat. There's your brake lever. And that's obviously your clutch lever. And there's the back brakes, also a disc brake, single piston disc brake. And that's it there. Let's get the bike started and see what it sounds like. There you go, the power of the Thumpstar. Not sure how the sound will come out in the video due to the microphone, but this is what it sounds like. To this bike and actually ride it around. That might be next week, we'll see how we go. Next weekend maybe, depending on weather. I've been wanting to make this video for quite some time, but it's just been raining. So today's the first fine day that we've had in a while. Okay, there's the bike just idling, ready to ride. Give it a bit of a rev. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. And don't forget to check out the video in the description box where we put this bike together. Thanks for watching and bye for now.